I spoke about that you must have an extreme sense of urgency to get on this business model, because whenever there is a technology disruption that happens in the world, okay, it's not an COVID 2019 does not happen suddenly, right? Or the technology growth that was happening did not happen suddenly, right? There last 10-12 years, there were people who were selling their information products, okay, compiling information from here and there and making products and selling. Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill, he himself was not a successful person, but he compiled interviews of successful people. That's how he created his book. Till today his family is getting royalty, right? But right now, if you do this is not going to work for you, because you need experiential insights, your own insights, or the transformation you have given people with your experience and expertise in the past. So the information products way back in 2012, they were early innovators of this, okay? And then there were early adopters, 2013, 14, 15 time frame. Even until 2018, this model was not very popular. But the moment COVID hit, okay, when everybody had to move online, okay, that's where in last 2 years, you would have seen significant people popping up, becoming coaches, right? So you kind of, we are all in the early majority, kind of at the cusp of early majority and late majority, because sooner or later, this technology impact is going to impact you, whether you like it or not, whether you want to do this or not, because this is the age of Gurukul model, where even 100 people, you're raising the consciousness of the planet. Even with 100 people you work closely, okay, you have transformed their lives, and you have in turn raised the consciousness of the collective with your offerings, with your products, with your services, by giving them a good way to live life, by empowering them with some skills, so that they earn good money, and in turn improve the quality of their life. And when people have enough, they contribute in others' life, right? So that way you're adding to a growing world, right? So sooner or later you will have to do this. Choice is yours, whether you want to do it right now with an extreme sense of urgency, because I don't want you to miss this huge wave of opportunity that exists for knowledge givers now. Okay, serve this wave. Okay, all you need is right systems, strategy, systems, and skills. This is what, get skilled, right? In your work life also, when there is a job change or a promotion, you get skilled, right? And the more your experience grows, you are being paid more. Why? Because you've got more skilled. But now, if the world has changed, which is a new normal world now, what this new world demands is digital skills. So you need certain system skills, you need the strategies, powerful strategies, because there's so much of competition, right? And you need some systems, so that you are independent of employees, digital systems, right? If you don't want to hire employees, right? So only when you are able to adapt to whatever I discussed so far, only then you become a magnet for success, the desired success.